Hey guys, this is your friend Antonio. As you can see in the last video, we reached 10% in the demo account. Remember, this is just paper trading, as you can see here. But the as I said, we reached 10% in that account, and was part of the plan. Once we reach 10%, as I said before, we would have to reset. So this is what I did. I reset the account to 100K again. But guess what? I start this account with a losing streak. This, I think, I really don't remember exactly what I was trying to do here. uh, I think I was trying to just to figure out something about BTC that I don't remember. So it was a break-even trade. But I start trading right here, and guess what? I was trying buying. I had four losses on gold. So last week was half. Yes, was very half. But guess what? Finally, we had two wins. This this was a, I would say, break even for me because I had to close manually. We had the no, so I had to close this trade. I did not let it run. But if I would let it run, as you can see here, I will show you. I sold here and I closed here. No, I closed a little bit below right here. Yeah, but I opened this position very late, so it was 1 to 1. But my target was here. My original target was here. It would be 3.5, as I always do. I risk one to make 3.5 all my trades. But in this case today, yeah, so it happens. So yes, it was just 1 to 1, but it was good because this win here uh, was enough to cover this loss that we had in Nasdaq. So in Nasdaq so far, I did not have any win in Nasdaq in this account. We had three losses in Nasdaq. So it was it's happening the same what happened to me in the gold. I had four losses before I had the win, but finally we closed the week in profit. Last week, yeah, was difficult. And this trade is funny because this trade, I opened this trade today. I think I opened this trade today, and 15 minutes before the market closed, because today is Friday. 15 minutes before the market closed, so we had it reached our target. I'm very happy with that. So it make us in profit $553, and I want to share with you my journal. Is a sheet here. So as you can see, my win rate came to what I already know by my back testing. I already know my win rate. As I said in first video, I think my win rate is between 35 to 45%. And that account, I started with a winning streak. I was very happy, but finally, as you can see, I'm in my original win rate. So yes, so far in this month we made 10%, and hopefully next week will be better. Hopefully next week we can have a more uh, a winning streak. If we will have a winning streak, I'm sure that we can pass this account next week. But I don't have a timeline for me, so I'm just trading. Otherwise, I would lose this account if I would not have a good risk management. I know I'm profitable. This is why I decided to share with you my trades. I'm not doing a lot of analysis because I will don't have a lot of time to record. But I'm trying to see if in next week or the next month, because I will start a new job. So I think the schedule will be a little bit better. So I'll try to record while I'm doing my analysis. And yes, let me see here in gold. On gold, Yeah, we had losses here. So it's funny because we had a BOS liquidity. We had a demand zone here. This is why I opened the position, but it was not enough to hold the price. So the price dropped. We had a loss here, one loss here, one loss here. And believe me, all the trades that I took was a valid setup. On gold, all the trades that I took on gold was a valid setup. I cannot say the same thing about Nasdaq. Yes, Nasdaq. This one was a valid trade. I took a loss. Okay, this one I remember this trade. This one was not a good setup. You know, when you sometimes it happens, and I think I felt FOMO, and right here, yeah. But this one was a valid setup, and I took a loss, so it's okay. It is part of the plan. Right now, I think yes, I had a win also here on BTC. So the selling BTC, so we had a nice win here, and now on BTC, I'm waiting BTC to come to this demand zone and give me the change of character, and I will take my long position here on BTC. Or if the price never reach this demand zone, I will wait to sweep this liquidity, reach this supply zone, and give me the change of character, and I will be selling BTC. So this is the plan for this weekend in BTC. Maybe I'll have some trades, maybe not, but I'm not worried about this. But I'm very happy that we closed the week uh, at least profit. I would say break even because it's not even 1%. So yes, but it is what it is. Even if I would even if I would end the week on in loss, like in drawdown, it is okay because I know I'm very confident that I will reach 10% in this account. It's paper trading, remember, but I'm trading the same way that I would trade when I buy my 100K account. So yes, I'm taking this very uh, with a lot of responsibility. You know, it's not just because it's paper trade that I will open position wherever I see. No, I'm taking only good setups. You know, this week the market conditions was not good, but it is what it is. So yeah, hopefully next week we'll have a better conditions in the market, and I'll do my analysis on Monday because the market is closed. And yes, I was just trying to record this video to share with you that the account, you know. And yes, and I hope to do this next weekend also, and I will have we'll see if I will close the week in profit, if you will reach 10% in this account, or we'll close the week in drawdown. So it's okay, you know, it's okay. See the how many how many losses I took. Yeah, so if you get scared, you just have to keep doing what you know that it works. And how do you know that it works? Back testing. You know, if you back test your strategy, you have room to improve, and you know what works and what doesn't work. So yes, 10% in this account. We close the month in profit 10%. Remember, I start this account from like let me see here. First trade was yes, July 24th. Yes, and today is August 1st. Yes, about 6 days. I would say 1 week, and we are in break even. So hopefully next week will be better. So that's it for today. So thank you very much, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.